Hello, I'm Ravi Advani. I have been associated with fashion and apparel industry in India for last more than 25 years. Two courses which are specifically I want to talk about as fashion brand design and technology, FBDT. This course actually focuses on the fashion, branding, designs and technology. These being industry integrated courses, these students have huge exposure to the industry. They also have a lot of interaction and exposure to international fashions. You can see the kind of infrastructure that they use. They also go to the industry. Industry experts come and speak to them and spend a lot of time with them and give them projects, etc. Throughout this 2 years course, they interact with the industry at a very high level. The result of that is when they go into industry, they are ready for the industry and they do not have to go as trainees all over again. Similarly, there is another course called Fashion Buying and Merchandising, which is focused on buying and merchandising related to apparel in India. These students also get exposure of fashion at international level, but they also work very closely with some of the retailers, some of the industries here in India, so that they understand all details about their working. Again, the result is when they go into industry, they are ready. Industry accepts them a little more because they already worked with the industry during this course for not less than about 3-4 months. So they have a very good exposure, hands-on exposure to the industry. I'm associated with 2 postgraduate programs. They are 2 years programs. One is Fashion Buying and Merchandising. Another is Fashion Brand Design and Technology. Both being 2 years postgraduate programs are actually relevant to the industry now. I believe these are the courses which somebody should take up as postgraduate courses, and I expect and I believe that you also should try this out, see the kind of infrastructure that we have here and the kind of understanding faculty has and industry connects that we have. This is going to give you a good future in case you decide to come in.